This is part 18 of building a web app. So I noticed that the subscriber count in the newsletter has been stale for the past week or so at 199. So we're very close to 200, but I'm just missing one person. And so what I did is I created a drawer that shows up at the bottom and it grays out the rest of the page. How do you create this kind of drawer? So as usual, I used shadcn for the UI of the component. But the interesting thing is that this component needs to open, of course, and close. Of course, I don't want to show it every single time that the user visits the page because otherwise that would be really annoying. So what I did is I set a cookie in the browser and basically that logs the timestamp of the cookie. So if the user has visited the page more than 4 hours ago, then I'm going to show him again the drawer. But if the user has already seen it less than 4 hours ago, then of course I will not show it. I am now evaluating if it should be 4 hours or 8 hours or 24 hours. But yeah, I will see how that basically will work and then I will adjust accordingly. But how does this look actually in terms of code? This is how the component looks like. I have created a function called setCookie and another function called getCookie. And then I've created the main function, which is shouldShowDrawer. And of course, we are first taking the cookie value from the getCookie, from the local storage, from the cookie storage. If the cookie value is not there, we return true because we want the drawer to show. We are getting the cookie data and also we are getting the timestamp from the cookie. And then we are calculating the difference between now, so the time in this moment, and the timestamp on the cookie. And if the difference is bigger than 4, we return true. So this operation returns true, and which means we should again show the drawer because there has been more than 4 hours passed. The hours of difference are less than 4. We return false because it means that the user has already seen the subscribe drawer, and so we are not going to show it to him again because, well, of course, it will be very annoying for the user. An interesting thing that I wanted to show you, if you ever wonder what cookies a website is storing, you can go into the developer tools of Chrome or Safari or whatever you're using and go into application. And here you will see we have cookies, and of course now it's showing localhost. And here I have all the cookies for the Supabase. As you can see, this is the Supabase user session that is basically checking if the user is logged in. And here I have seen drawer and I'm storing true if it has already seen it and the timestamp.